Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show unboxing video. Let's get started. Motorola AmphiSound 150 watts Bluetooth home theater. I ordered this product from Flipkart and it got delivered in 2 days. We received the product without any damage. It is a traditional 5.1 home theater in a box. In the box it contains user manual. It has all the details about this product and remote control. One auxiliary cable and one RCA cable, and it has 5 satellite speakers. It is a 3-inch audio drivers made with premium wooden enclosures. You can also wall mount the satellite speakers. Build quality of the satellite speakers is also good. The speakers connect to the main unit via RCA cables, but their length is not that long. If you are going to set it in a large room or in a big hall, you need to buy RCA extension cables separately. It is 70-watt subwoofer that has an 8-inch bass driver. It has a wooden chassis with a dynamic LED lighting. The build quality is awesome. It also has an LED display and includes an amplifier with adjustable bass and terrible output. Connectivity, you will get Bluetooth 5.0, an HDMI port, optical audio and an auxiliary port. Just connect a Blu-ray player to make it a complete home theater with great bass and high quality sound. It also has USB port and SD card options. Bluetooth works with no connection loss. It also has the option to switch from the default 5.1 to 2.1 channel with Pro Logic mode. Overall, I am very happy with this product. Friends, hope you will enjoy this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.